Hell, it's bloody hot out here. Just want to give everyone a big shout out though. We've just ticked over 100 subscribers, so that's all thanks to you guys. So again, awesome work. Glad to have you all on board following the build. Little bit of a sneaky shot into what we've got done already. Started cutting out the steering and pieces for the dash there. We're going to get into that this weekend and hopefully get ready so that then we can drop a motor in next weekend and hear that running. So stay tuned for that. We'll get going Friday today, so we'll get it on the weekend and get it going. And again, huge shout out to Wide Bay. They've come forward. I'll go through in the next one some of the stuff they've thrown at us, and I'm still a bit in shock myself, but yeah, awesome stuff. Here it is, captain's chair, passenger's chair over here. Got to get these all stitched up. Got these seats. We've had actually a couple of people asking that too. Found them on Marketplace out of a Quintrax Reef Raider, I believe. So if anyone's looking at them, I know they do sell similar at a few places that I have seen. I'll drop a link down the bottom for that I did found that is similar, so if anyone does want to copy that. The other thing obviously is where we got the dash from. We actually custom made that ourselves, so sorry you can't buy them. It's some 18mm ply for the front face and then 12mm everywhere else. We just threw some angles together, put our heads down, and that's what we come up with. Took the shapes very similar off what was in there, squared it off a little bit. I didn't like the angle that the steering wheel was sat on, so just going with a more squared off captain's wheel, I guess. I don't know what you'd call it, but yeah, so got the helm in there, steering cable run through, and it was about a foot short, so I've had to go get a new one of them. But yeah, other than that, we're getting busy. So stay tuned for the next episode. I'll see you all in that one. And again, thanks again. 100 subscribers is absolutely insane. I didn't think we'd ever get this far. So appreciate it, guys. So take care.